traders, welcome back to the channel. If you are new to Forex or struggling to stay consistent, it might not be your strategy, it might be your mindset. Today we are diving into trading psychology, what it is and why it matters, and how it can literally make or break your success in the market. Let's get into it. If this is your first time on this YouTube channel, my name is Akinwole Victor, aka VstreakFx. And what's my goal? My goal is to make you a consistent and a profitable trader. So without wasting much time, let's get into the business of the day. So what exactly is trading psychology? It is the mental and the emotional states that influence your decision when you are trading. This is how you feel when you are in a trade, when you win, when you lose, when you are just watching the move. It is not just about the charts, indicator. Trading is actually 80% mindset and 20% strategy. You could have the best setup in the world, but if your emotions control you, your results will be all over the place. Some psychology traps every traders fall into. One is fear. How that fear works is traders hesitate to trade trades because they are afraid to lose. The other trap is greed. Every human is greedy. You overtrade the whole position, you are chasing the win runs. The other one is FOMO, which is fear of missing out. Traders find it hard to stick to their trading plan. They do what they how will I put it? They hesitate. Their setup have not yet printed all the whole complex to take the trade, but they already jumping to take the trade. That's fear of missing out. The other trap is what? Revenge trading. Revenge trading is in a day possibly they've set a stops like they are losing just 1 or 2%, but not even just that. I think revenge trading in old first to understand it properly is, let's say you get stopped out and you feel like, yeah, I want to get back to the market, I want to make back what I've lost. Then traders get into that psychology trap of revenge trading. They feel they can actually take back what the market has taken from them. Immediately the market starts giving them the loss they are avoiding. They keep eating the stops and it drains their psychology. Not just their psychology, it reflects in their account balance and it drains what? Their account balance. So revenge trading is also a very crazy trap. The other one is what? Over trading. Every beginner's forex traders fall into over trading. I've a lot of students that I've mentored, after the mentorship they do well to trade properly. After some time, because being a professional trader, trading gets boring because you find it hard to see your setup always. So they get into the habit of what? Over trading without their plan, and that's the psychological trap. It will affect you. One, it will not just damage your trading psychology, it will damage your trading account. I know what that means. You blow your account. Another trap is what? Overconfidence. You have a couple of wins and you suddenly start feeling like everything is there's something they call it in my Douglas called it euphoria or something like that. You feel like, yeah, the market is mine now and the likes, and you get into that state. You stop managing your risks. You feel like you want to risk all your accounts, and that's a crazy psychology trap, and you get your account blown. I want to know that to achieve success in trading psychology matters because it influences your ability to follow your plan. Your plan says risk 1%, your emotions goes no, risk everything, and your account gets what? Blown. When you're emotionally reactive, you are not trading your strategy, you are trading your feelings, and that market does not care about your feelings. Mastering your mindset means you have to follow every rules you set for yourself. You have to accept losses without thinking it again. You have to what? You have to stick to your plan and not forcing trade that does not exist, which is what? Fear of missing out, which I spoke about earlier. So you must what? You must avoid that. This is not easy, but it is 100% possible what? To keep your psychology in check and trade your plan as you have written it out. I'll be giving you 3 quick tips to help you level up your trading psychology. 1, journal your trade. Just do well to write down how you felt before, during, and after every trade. Set realistic expectation in trading. I've made a short on trading is not a get rich quick scheme. You can't double your account in a week, you can't double your account in a month. Take break, walk away from the screen. Mental fatigue leads to bad decisions. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more content on trading psychology and forex growth. Let me know in the comment section what's your biggest mindset challenge right now. I read everyone you paste there, and I'll send a reply to anyone I find interesting, and I can also offer a free mentorship, or any of the comments I love. So stay tuned till our next video.